The past simple tense is a crucial aspect of academic writing, as it is used to convey events, actions, or states that occurred in the past. By utilizing the past simple tense, writers are able to provide intricate detail to their arguments, add credibility to their claims, and create a sense of chronological progression within their text. In this essay, we will explore the importance of the past simple tense in academic writing and provide numerous illustrative examples to highlight its effectiveness. One of the primary functions of the past simple tense in academic writing is to convey historical events or actions that have already taken place. For example, when discussing the results of a scientific study, researchers might use the past simple tense to detail the methodology they employed. In a sentence like, "Participants were randomly assigned to different experimental conditions." The past simple tense emphasizes the chronological sequence of events and provides readers with a clear understanding of the experimental process. Similarly, the past simple tense can be used to describe previous research findings or establish background information for a study. For instance, a literature review might include sentences like, "Previous studies have shown that there is a correlation between smoking and lung cancer," or "Researchers in the field have long debated the effectiveness of cognitive behavioral therapy." By using the past simple tense in these contexts, writers can demonstrate their familiarity with existing literature and lay the groundwork for their own argument. Furthermore, the past simple tense is often employed in academic writing to present the findings of a study or to describe specific outcomes. For example, researchers might report their results by stating, "Participants who received the intervention demonstrated significant improvements in cognitive function," or "The data revealed a statistically significant relationship between variables X and Y." In these cases, the past simple tense allows writers to convey specific details and provide evidence to support their claims. In conclusion, the past simple tense is a fundamental component of academic writing that adds depth and detail to past arguments. By using the past simple tense, writers can vividly describe events, present research findings, and establish the historical context for their work. Through numerous illustrative examples, we have seen how the past simple tense can enhance the clarity and credibility of academic writing. Therefore, ESL students should familiarize themselves with the rules and usage of the past simple tense to improve the quality of their academic writing.